All right, so I'm heading into town right now to fill up. This is more for like, I don't know, documentation purposes on this video, I guess. I'm driving a 2008 GMC Sierra 1500 work truck, and I am going to fill up my tank. It's at a quarter of a tank, a little like a hair above a quarter of a tank, and I will take a photo of how much it costs to fill up. Ridiculous. This is the setup. This is my my trailer right now. Just throwing together scrap wood and plywood and stuff as the deck. Zip tied the car ramps because I needed to, rapidly come up with a solution to tie those down. Yeah, but anyways, got it all set up, ready to go. Just waiting on Sarah to show up. She's getting out of work now. She's gonna be showing up, and we're gonna be hitting the road. And also, as you can see, I put my GoPro mount right there. I'm actually going to leave that there all the way down and see if that falls off. And if it does fall off, well, at least I don't have my GoPro in it. And if it doesn't fall off, then I will put my GoPro in it and videotape or record a little bit of the drive on the highway when the lawnmower is on the trailer. But yeah, I just got this thing registered. Pretty happy about that, considering it's finally registered. I had to wait like over a month for it to get registered, but nevertheless, it's registered now. Got a cheap little trailer light kit for it. I'm going to end up redoing the deck on this trailer. I'm going to rip up all of the wood that's on it and then put down some proper 2x6s. And then it also desperately needs tires because these could potentially be original. Like, as you can see, they're very badly cracked, but somehow they hold air. So this will be a test. I'm driving about an hour and a half down south to go pick up a lawnmower. The lawnmower's a couple 100 pounds, nothing crazy, and then come back home. And if it works and it tows it properly, I won't have any issues, and this video will be uploaded without any issues after this clip. But yeah, like I said, I'm just waiting on Sarah to get here, and then we will hit the road. See you in the next clip. All right, all loaded up, ratchet straps on. It is way too dark to record with a GoPro, let alone talk in this guy's driveway. It's way too dark, so I will update you guys either tonight when I get home or tomorrow morning if everything goes well. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. All right, we made it. Lawnmower made it in one piece. Truck's already taken off, or the trailer's already taken off the truck. The floor didn't fall through, cave in, or anything like that. Bagger system's in the back of the truck. I'm gonna take that home, and I will come deal with this in the morning. Alright, so here she is, Craftsman GT 3000. It's got a mower deck, 48-inch mower deck. It's got the 23 horsepower V-twin. It's gas powered. But yeah, I gotta take some stickers off because the previous owner had a bunch of stickers on it. But yeah, trailer did all right. Definitely needs some new tires, obviously, and then a new deck. But it held up. In total, the trailer went about, I don't know, 4 hours of distance. It took about 5 hours, which it should have only taken about 3 hours of travel, but oh well. And also what came in today is my magnets. There you go, right there. Everything you need. Alright, so I am actually going to use the GoPro mount and get footage of me traveling back to my house, and then that will be the wrap of the video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Obviously it's very windy, it's cold. We're supposed to get a snowstorm tomorrow, so we will see if that actually even happens. And thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment if you like this video and if you want to see more of these. And message me under Silva Under Pressure if you need anything done this summer. Alright, see ya.